Hey and welcome back. My name is Aniela, and today we are making a super cozy beanie hat together. I got a free pattern for you on my blog spiralfashion.com, and it comes in several sizes so everyone can join in. This is beginner friendly tutorial and I will share lots of tips along the way, like how to pick the right fabric, which direction I should stretch, and little hacks to make your beanie look perfect. So grab your fabric, your sewing tools, and let's get started! Before we start sewing, let's take a look at the fabric and how it's stretched. You want to make sure that the fabric stretches horizontally, goes comfortably around your head, not up and down. I recommend using a stretchy knit fabric like jersey, rib knit, or cotton with a bit of elastin or spandex. These fabrics are soft, comfy, and perfect for beanie. Here on the pattern you will see small arrow. These lines show you direction of the stretch. Make sure this arrow goes across the width of your fabric. Now it's time to fold your fabric in half, right sides together with the stretch going side to side. This way, when you cut the pieces, the beanie will fit nicely and won't feel too tight or loose. Place your pattern on the fold. Align the edge mark placed on fold. And pin the pattern with pins. That will prevent pattern from shifting during cutting. And time to cut out your pattern. Remember to cut 2 pieces, one by one. It's optional, but for me it's more easy for sewing. I always cut out the darts in this beanie. Once you get your 2 pieces cut out, we are ready to start sewing. Each piece has small dart at the top. This helps the hat fit nicely and give it that round shape. Fold one piece right sides together, matching the dart line carefully, pin along the dart line starting from the top and ending at the point, and sew. Repeat the same step with all darts. When you sew, start at the wider end and sew towards the tip of the dart. Once the dart is sewn, press it gently to one side. Now it's time to join both parts of your beanie. Place the two pieces right sides together, making sure the darts line up nicely at the top. This will help the hat look even and professional when it's finished. Pin all the way around the curved edge. This is where we'll be sewing. Don't forget to leave a small opening at the bottom, about 5 cm or 2 inches, so we can turn the beanie right side out later. And now you sew all the way around, don't forget to leave this gap. Now is the time to turn right side out our beanie, so let's begin. Finally, close the opening. You can do this with a small hand stitch or top stitch. Now it's time to tuck the lining inside. Gently push the lining into the hat so it sits snugly against the outer fabric. And voila! Our beanie is ready. Let's try it. And this is how beanie look on my head. What do you think? Cozy, snuggy, and warm. Perfect for coming winter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and see you soon.